today we will create a 3D print using two things, glue gun and nail polish. And the best part is you can try this on any fabric of your choice. Any type of nail paint work for this. You can use 2 shade of nail polish for one print. You can use 3 shade of nail polish for one print. However you like it. And it's fun doing it. I hope you liked my small DIY to create a 3D print. If you like it, do comment down below, and if you try this, then tag me on Instagram, link in the description box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.